There you go. Lads in the city. Got you. Got your back. What's the shizzle, son? Nothing. Glenn, well chuffed by the condiments on offer. Glenn. Why do I keep saying Glenn? It's because I keep calling Glenn Gary Glenn Ross. You don't even know what that is, do you? It's a film, innit? Good condiments there.
Plastic tree, are you here with me? Just looking out the day of another dream, where you can't get what you want, but you can get me.